Mix these two ingredients if you are a 1 minute man. If you don't last long in bed, or you don't have a good blood flow or blood circulation, all you need to do is to mix these two ingredients. But before I proceed, I want to tell you one or two benefits of this onion. Not the white onion, but the red onion. That is what you need. Why do you need this red onion? This red onion can help you to solve prostate problem. If you have prostate problem, eat raw onion, red onion. It will help you to cure prostate problem. If you are impotent, that is impotency, with red onion, that impotency will be a thing of the past. Now, in today's video, it is all about if you are a 1 minute man. These are what you need. Very simple ingredients and simple recipe, but it works wonders. Before I proceed once again, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you are a 1 minute man, how are you going to go with these ingredients? Very simple. Just take onion, depending the quantity that will serve you for weeks or a day, but you can proceed on taking this consistently if you want to get perfect results. So slice this onion based on the quantity you want to get or you want to keep for further use. Slice onion and put it in a blender, and also scrape this ginger and slice it so that it can be blendable, and also add it in a blender. You can add water, blend it so that it will blend thoroughly or grind thoroughly. Then filter it to get the juice. Once you filter it to get the juice, that's all. You can take it morning and night, but if you can't take it in the morning, in case of the odor of this onion, you can only be taking it in the night for weeks. It will help you to terminate quick ejaculation, and it will help you to be a 45 minutes man. No more 1 minute, because 1 minute is like quick ejaculation. So on how you take this recipe, it will help you to last longer and also build up your immune system. That is why natural remedies are the best. You will get benefit upon benefit upon benefit as long as you keep taking natural remedies. So that is it for today's video, and this is what I want to share in today's video. Only these two ingredients, and onion is the main because of its benefits. The red one, not the white one, this red one. So I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button. Subscribe once again to be a member of this channel. Like and share this video to your friends and families. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comment in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. If you need any video that you want me to do for you, drop it in the comment section below. Like and share this video to your friends and families once again. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck, success. Thanks for watching.